on, everybody? It's actually the next day after I did, the wing up there, gave her a nice little bath. Actually, I'm gonna wipe her down again because she's looking a little gross after, drying off all the ice that froze from me sanding it. Yeah, safety first because we out here doing some straight pipe things. If you could see, we got the CRV muffler on the ground right here. So, sorry about that. But my muffler started leaking and rattling, and I thought it was the inside of the muffler, and it wasn't. It was actually this flange right here. As you can see, it looks like crap. Yeah. So that's exactly what was making my damn car sound like a damn rattle can. But we took the muffler off, right? And I started it. And I like it. If you guys don't know, this CRV is my wife's CRV. She doesn't really like the loud romp noise for her car, but I'm just doing this, get underneath her little skin real quick. But I have to go home and get the actual flange because I don't have one in this shop. The one that I have is too big, so yeah, I know I have a couple exhausts at home that I can take a flange right off of it, come here and weld it on. So what I'm going to do is make a straight pipe exhaust, just in case if anybody does want one. I'll have one for sale, you know what I mean? Burn tip and all, because, that's what I'm about to do. But, yeah, so I'm going to cut a little piece off of this pipe right here. I think it's 2.5, I want to say. But, yeah, I'm just going to cut a little piece off. I might have to actually widen it, too, so it goes over that. So that way I can make a flange that would go, like, right there to the muffler. But I'm about to figure all that out. I don't really feel like time-lapsing this stuff. So I'll just show you when I'm done. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Before I get the welding over here, just want to show you guys real quick what I'm about to do. Even though I have no flashlight over here, that's what oh no, I do have one. Hold up. Flashlight. All right, so what I'm about to do here is weld this little sleeve on there, and then when I go home, I'm gonna get the the flange that matches up to the actual flange for this muffler, and then come back and weld that on there. But for now, we going straight pipe. We going straight pipe, dog. When that gets welded on, I'll show y'all that. So, peace. All right, so I'm almost done over here. I'm just about to finish welding the hangers on to the straight pipe, and then we're about to hear the room. So. She sounds so clean! Woo! My wife hates it, by the way, everybody. She does not like it. She watches my videos here and there. When I don't show her while I'm actually making that, she be right next to me and I'll be over there editing and be like, yo, babe, look at this. Look at this. I know, probably driving her insane. But, yeah. Alright. I just need to find exactly where I put that gun at. So I have no idea. Put it down somewhere. Oh my God. If y'all see that, if y'all can find it, impact gun. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that was your 5 seconds. Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments if you found it by the press. Because I glanced at it when I walked that way. I was like, that's where I put it at. But I found it. Perfect. All right. Give y'all a quick little her. All right, quick startup on the exhaust. I know it sticks out kind of OD, but I kind of like it. Not too much. I mean, I probably would shorten it up if anybody does want it, because I might not keep it on my car. So I do have a muffler for the car if I want to put one on, but she don't like a muffler, so we gotta stay stock. It's okay though. We ain't staying stock tonight. Tell me that does not sound nice. I still have the cat. I still have the resonator on here. All I did was just delete the muffler. And she's sitting nice. I ain't going nowhere. Let's give her a little revy rev. Just to hear it. Oh man, my wife is about to kill me when I pull up. But that's all right. I'll catch y'all probably Saturday. Well, tomorrow, because today's Friday, and I still have to upload the video from yesterday, so I'm just gonna throw those two together to here, you know, just more CRV action, or it might just split them up. I don't know, but yeah, this is just a quick little video on straight paping my CRV here. Yeah, tomorrow we do have a meet. I don't know if she's gonna let me go like this. I hope she does, because it'd be kind of dope, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be like, yo, that shit sound nice. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go and get the hell up out of here. Y'all take it easy, you know. As always, hit that like button. Definitely, no, don't hit that like button. Smash that like button. Definitely subscribe to the channel, because, you know, I got CRV content coming. Yes, we do. Like I said, after those 5 seconds, throw a comment if you found the wow, now I forget the hell I was even looking for. The power drill, okay? If you found the power drill, the impact gun, wow, I said power drill. If you found the impact gun before those 5 seconds are up, and you throw it in the comment, you know, I'm gonna shout you out in the next video. That's all I can do, because I ain't sending nobody nothing yet. But yeah, I'm babbling on like always. Y'all definitely stay tuned for more content. Follow the channel. Peace, love, and engine grease. Later.